What's up, y'all? This is your boy Tyree. I'm here out front of Greencastle Antrim Middle School. Just did an assembly. We had a great time. Bullying prevention. Principal Herman, very intentional with doing assemblies and having people come in systematically throughout the month and sitting down with students at the lunch table. Listen, get on board and support your local school system. Be a part of the solution, not part of the problem or drama. Asian boy Tyree, the thing that made this assembly probably the most memorable for me is that my son didn't know that I was going to be at his school today doing that assembly. So I think he heard someone mention it, but he didn't quite know. He didn't really believe him. And then when he walked in and he saw me, like, that was really cool. And then being able to spend a little bit of time with him at his table at lunch, that was really impactful. So I've never been able to really do an assembly like that at a school that one of my kids go to. So yeah, shout out to Greencastle Antrim Middle. Thank you for making that happen. And also thank you for allowing me through your doors to encourage young people to be a hero, to not just stand by and watch bullying take place, but address it to the responsible authority that's in the room. And also remember that that there's a difference between tattling and reporting. And so kind of getting those kind of life skills to them, man, means a lot to me. So thank you.